Hello, welcome to our Healthy Khmer Cooking. Today we're going to cook with hot and spicy tofu. First of all, I would like to introduce with the ingredients. It have garlic, lemongrass, galangal roots, chili, red pepper, salt, soy sauce, peanut, holy basil herb, tofu, and fresh mushroom. So I would like to show you how to cook. First, we need to heat up our wok to make it hot and add an oil. And then we need to add the garlic. And stir it until it gets fragrant. After it's fragrant, we need to add lemongrass in. And then we add galangal roots. Keep stirring it until it gets fragrant. After this, we need to add chili in. Keep stirring it until it gets soft. If you don't know how to eat chili, you don't need to put it in your food. And then we need to add red pepper in. After it's fragrant, we need to add our peanut in. And keep stirring it until it's mixed together. And next we can put our fresh mushroom in. We can put before we using our peanuts too. Stirring until the mushroom gets soft. After it's soft, we need to add our tofu. The tofu must be sliced and fried. And keep mixing it together until it completely mixed together. After it mixed together, we need to add a little bit of soy sauce to get a bit of taste. And then we add some salt, just a little bit. So the last thing that we need to add our holy basil herb. And mix it together. So after it cooked, we need to serve it in the dish. After we serve in the dish, next we need to add some decoration. So this is our hot and spicy tofu. Thank you for watching our video. Goodbye and ជម្រាបលា